Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, I am going to talk about two different things. I am first going to talk about the blueprint of the system, which explains to you how the system works and how you are going to make money with your affiliate products. And then I am going to get into how to get the things that are required to set up the system. You can either get them for free or you can spend money to get the software and all of the necessary stuff required to set up the system. Let's first get into the blueprint of the system. Now you need to take a look at this infographic on your screen. Here you would see you have to take your affiliate links first. Now don't worry about the affiliate products yet. I would be discussing product selection in another lecture. Let me just give you a brief idea about how the system works first. So you have to first take your affiliate links. After taking your affiliate links, you are going to use a link cloaking and tracking software to mask your affiliate links to make them look like a part of your domain name which you already own. So obviously you would need a domain name and a hosting account as well. So using the affiliate cloaking software, you are first going to cloak your domain name. After cloaking your domain name, you are going to create press releases. If you know how to write press releases, that's fantastic. If you don't know how to create press releases, we are going to be outsourcing this part. And for outsourcing, you are going to spend around 10 to 20 bucks. So it's not very costly. After writing the press releases, you are going to distribute those press releases. Once again, I would be discussing in detail about these things later on. After the press releases have been distributed, these press releases are going to rank for very specific keywords on Google.com and other search engines. These keywords are going to be related to the affiliate product that you are promoting. Now, these could be very high competition keywords, but that doesn't really matter. Since these are press releases, these are news items, these keywords are going to rank on Google.com. And your press releases are going to become visible. A lot of people are going to see your press releases. So people are going to check out your press releases. They are going to come to your press releases. And since inside the press releases, you have already embedded your affiliate links that have been cloaked, they are going to check out your affiliate links, buy the products, and you make commissions. This is very, very simple to implement. Anyone can do this. And you don't need to spend a lot of money for press release distribution and press release writing if you can do that stuff yourself. So that's pretty much about how the system works. Now, the hero of this system here is actually the link cloaking software. The reason being, press releases rank very high on Google.com. Everyone knows that. But you cannot insert affiliate links inside press releases because press releases simply do not allow product promotion. If you cloak those affiliate links with a cloaking software, they're going to look like the products actually belong to you because the domain name belongs to you, the domain name that you're going to be using for the cloaking purposes. Doing it that way, you would be able to insert your affiliate links inside your press releases. And those press releases, when they start ranking, you're going to make commissions on complete autopilot. You just have to start distributing the press releases and they are going to bring in traffic day in and day out without you having to spend any more time on setting up the system. So this thing actually works on complete autopilot. You have to set it once and then it's going to keep bringing in traffic for you and make you commissions. So that's how the system works. I hope I have been able to make you understand the system. And now I'm going to get into how to get the link cloaking software. Okay guys, we are now going to get into link cloaking and tracking. But before I give you the options, I need to tell you there are some free link shortening services available out there. For example, Bitly. Do not ever think of using them because they are only link shortening services. They are not going to cloak your affiliate links and make them look like a part of your domain name. So those free services are not going to work. You need a proper link cloaking and tracking system. Now the first option you have here is linktracker.com and their membership starts at $9 per month and goes all the way up to $69 per month. Now there are two important things that you need to look at before making any purchase. First one, 100 tracking links. This means you could have up to 100 affiliate links that this membership plan can mask for you. So if you have maybe more than 100 affiliate links, this thing is not going to work. Your links are going to go dead. The even more important thing about this is this one here, the second option, which says 10,000 clicks per month. See, you are going to be using your affiliate links inside press releases, and press releases get a lot of traffic. So a lot of clicks are going to happen. The moment you hit the 10,000 mark, your links are going to stop working. You would have to upgrade to the next membership level and then your links would go live again. This is something you don't want to do because you don't want dead links inside your press releases. Since this is an autopilot system, you do not want to sit there tracking your links and then upgrade to a new membership plan whenever your links go dead. You would be losing traffic and you would be losing money. So keep this in mind before choosing any membership plan on any of the websites that we are going to be talking about now. The next option that you have is clickmeter.com. This is also a very popular service. Now their prices start at $29 per month and goes all the way up to $349 per month. Now their events and data points, these things are pretty much okay. You do not need so many events or data points. The real problem with this service is the number of branded domains that you get. Branded domains means the number of domains that can be used for cloaking your links. For example, let us say you promote two different kinds of products. Let's say you promote healthcare products and you also promote computer security products. So you would definitely use a healthcare related domain name for masking all your healthcare related affiliate links and another domain name for masking all your computer security related affiliate links. If you go with the $29 per month plan, you would not be able to use more than one domain name. This is a big problem. You would have to upgrade to the $99 per month program. So once again, be very careful when choosing these programs. The third option, this is linktrust.com. This is probably the most popular option because I've seen a lot of affiliates use this and their prices start at $199 per month and goes all the way up to $575 per month. Now it is totally your choice which program you want to buy because you do not need those fancy bells and whistles. All you need is a simple link cloaking and tracking system. So depending on your budget, you can go and purchase any one of these things that suits your budget and then you can start using them. Now I do understand that a lot of you out there are probably just starting out and maybe do not have the money or don't want to spend so much money on a link cloaking system, especially a monthly membership fee. For them, I'm going to offer a free option as well. What you can do is, you can go to illuminatimarketing.com. You can scroll down to the bottom of the page and here at the bottom of the page, you would see something that says free download. Click on this link and this is going to take you to this YouTube video. Now this YouTube video basically talks about the launch of the book, The 5-Figure Blueprint. This is a book launch video on YouTube. This book talks about 5 different money-making methods, but along with that, this book also comes bundled with 3 paid software. That includes the link cloaking system as well. So if you have a copy of this book, you would not only have the link cloaking software, but you would also have several other paid software and obviously the 5 different money-making methods. You can get a free review copy of this book. Yes, totally free. For that, what you have to do is you have to go to the description area of the YouTube video here. Here, you would see a link that says audiobilateral.com/Illuminati. Click on this link and this is going to take you to audible.com. If you don't know, audible.com is the audiobook section of amazon.com. You have to sign up for a 30-day free trial of audible.com. Yes, 30-day free trial. No money. You sign up on audible.com by clicking on this link for a 30-day free trial by verifying your name, your email address, and your credit card details. Once you have verified those details, you can download the 5-Figure Blueprint right from audible.com for absolutely free. Inside audible.com, you can simply go to the search box and type in the name of this book, The 5-Figure Blueprint, and then you can download it for totally free. Now, if you ask me, why do you need to verify your credit card? That's because it's only for the purposes of verification. It's like PayPal verification. When you open a PayPal account, you have to verify your credit card, right? It's just like that. You would not be charged anything, not a single dime. I promise you that. You can even use someone else's credit card or maybe even a credit card that does not have any credit balance inside it. This is only for the purposes of verification, and this is probably the only way to get a link cloaking system, functional link cloaking system, for absolutely free of cost without paying a monthly membership fee. So the choice is yours. You can either go and download this free link cloaking system by downloading the book, The 5-Figure Blueprint, and for that you'd have to go and sign up on audible.com for a free 30-day membership, or you can go and buy any of these plans on linktrust.com or clickmeter.com or linktracked.com. This is totally up to you. Depending on your budget, you're going to make your choice. You need a link cloaking system, that is period. Without that, it's not going to work. This system is totally not going to work. You need to decide how you want to get it. Okay, so get your link cloaking system first, and then we are going to go ahead and set it up in my next lecture. Thank you. I'll see you again in my next lecture.